Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make mousse cream. Gather chilled cream, sugar, gelatin, and flavorings before starting. Beat 1 cup heavy cream and 2 tablespoons sugar until soft peaks form, then bloom gelatin in 2 tablespoons water. Gently fold in the gelatin and flavor, chill for at least 2 hours to set, and pipe or spoon into serving dishes for a light, airy dessert everyone will love. Start by warming a small portion of cream with your chosen flavor, then cool it before combining. Melt chocolate gently and let it reach room temperature before folding to avoid seizing. When using fruit puree, strain out seeds for a smooth finish and fold slowly to keep air. Chill the assembled mousse until firm but still tender so each spoonful feels light and creamy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: after standing and baking, slip into darn tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty because tiny pleasures matter. They pair surprisingly well with a cozy kitchen evening, and they last through countless recipe tests. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For neat serving, pipe mousse into chilled glasses and leave space for garnishes. Add textural contrast with toasted nuts, cookie crumbs, or a bright fruit compote on top. If making ahead, cover and refrigerate to keep moisture and prevent a skin from forming. Present cold but not frozen so the mousse shows its airy structure and melts pleasantly on the palate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.